There's Andrew way in there.
Yeah, I came in from the other side too.
Yeah, this is between the transom steps. The bridge between. He's climbing under there. What are you doing?
I'm putting anchoring for our fuel lines that are going to work for our fuel transfer and polishing.
He's anchoring down our fuel line. That's going to transfer fuel from port to starboard.
It's very uncomfortable in here, I'll tell you that for sure.
It's a tight squeeze.
If you're claustrophobic, don't look.
That's me. So he's here over on the starboard side, but he started from over there. Over on that side he started from. Our steering column, you can't be going crawling all over, so we had to go in from this way. And there's our stickers and what everything is. And now we're just attaching the hose from one side to the other. So now that these little valves can all work. Sounds like Andrew's got the fuel pump going. Is it going? You gotta fill up the filter with what? Oh, diesel. We don't have any diesel. And I took the butane to the French side this morning. It's probably our last day before we go, and I'm defrosting this freezer. This is what happens in 2 weeks to this freezer. It is crazy. Look at that ice buildup. 1 hour later, the freezer is defrosted. Look at that. Show you how much ice I got out. There is the sink full of ice. All done. Now you put the food back in. I am also working on our Wi-Fi booster here, but it's kind of all Greek to me. I'm trying to go through this batch test here. It says go through step 1. I made it through step 1. Now I'm trying to figure out step 2. And then that'll go up on the mast, maybe on the first spreaders. We're going to climb up and see if we can get the wires down from the first spreader and down the mast into inside here. So we should be able to come down here, and then underneath in this access, all the wires can come out there. And then will be right from there to there, right by the helm station where we can have our computer sitting. That will be the project for the rest of the afternoon, and then get the next video uploaded. This is where we ended up putting the unleashed portion of our antenna. And it shows if we have internet. The antenna for the unleashed is right up there on the mast. We just set up a Bad Boy Extreme wireless antenna up on our mast. It took all afternoon, but look, we have free internet here, and our hotspot is on the boat, and we can connect up with our other devices onto our wave riders from the free internet at Island Water World. That is 1 kilometer away from us.
How much work was that to put in?
Lots of work, thanks to Byron's help, the Aussie boat. Thanks, guys. We are not the only ones with boat problems. Katie and Byron here are having boat problems too.
All right, hang on.
Yeah, okay.
Their engines won't start today.
Yeah. And then
Shorted everything out.
okay, well,
We changed the filter in the fan belt yesterday, and then it wouldn't start after that.
so it's not the battery.
Guess what we're doing this morning? We are off for parcel delivery. What are we getting delivered, Andrew?
We're gonna get our new parasailer and our bicycle.
Woohoo! Montague, Alston Bikes, and Parasailer are here. We're just trying to figure out how we're going to do this because they're heavy.
100 pounds for sale.
Yep, 45 per bike, so when we don't want to leave them unattended in the dinghy at the dock, I'll keep you posted on what we're gonna do. At least it's a nice calm day today. On our way to FedEx! Woo! St. Martin, Simpson Bay Lagoon. Trip number 1 back to the boat with the sail box. A little bit of damage on that corner and a little bit of smushing on the 2 rear corners.
It's all real soft inside though,
Yeah.
so it should be fine.
We're going to unpack it here because there is how many lines in there, Andrew?
There's at least 5 lines.
5 lines just to lighten the load because the sail itself is like 105 pounds, so we don't want to drop it into the water. Box is smushed right there.
True.
The rigging for our parasailer. We got it on board without dropping it in the water. Yay. Here's the parasailer.
We got a serial number.
Ooh, cool.
Here's what it looks like when it's flying.
More rigging.
Snuffer line.
Oh, Chantel, I bet you were wishing you were here to do this unboxing.
Sails inside this
Sails
bag.
inside the bag. Can we pop that open? Is there a zipper somewhere? Take a peek at the color. Guess we won't be unzipping it right now. I guess you'll have to wait, stay tuned for when we use it. What it looks like. Here come the bicycles. One bicycle. Okay. What we have to deal with because of the hurricane damage. We're trying to load it here. I'll show you the other side. We've had to make our way through all this damage.
Where you're parked is supposed to be boards.
Yeah, there's supposed to be a dock here. Okay, now we're gonna load the bikes on. Coming back with the bicycles! We are stuffed! Oh, woo!
At least your motor's working.
Yeah. Bikes are on board. Now we're gonna have a nice coffee break and then unpack them. Iced coffee on the fly bridge.
Cheers.
Before we unpack our boxes. Charter.
Cruise ship excursion.
Cruise ship excursion, the Rhino boats. And our show for the day, we have a couple big sailboats going out the bridge. Drink our iced coffee and watch the boat show. It's nice and, the wind's nice and calm today, even though we got swamped on our way back with the bikes. I got soaking wet.
One seat.
Oh, they're actually nice seats.
Montague.
Wow.
Montague bag.
Oh, we got bike backs too.
Bike bag. No, Montague.
What kind of pedals does it come with?
Disc brakes.
Hydraulic disc brakes.
Carbon belt drive.
Yeah. Carbon belt drive, internal gears, perfect for the boat. Salt air. Just like the water bikes and our tandem at home. See, if you want to work on the bike, the rat trapper carrier makes it a stand for you. I think you put that down when you're unfolding it too. And then it goes up like that. There they are.
This is a smaller one.
Which one is? Jeez, can't even tell which is a smaller and bigger one.
You can see the seat tubes not sticking out as much.
Oh, right. Yeah. That one's mine. What do you think? Do we have enough coffee, Andrew?
That'll last a couple of days, I'm sure.
As you can see, the coffee down here sucks, but we found some Starbucks Sumatra. I'm not a big Starbucks fan, but the Sumatra's good.
Sumatra's the best.
And we need to stock up because in Grenada, we're not going to get good coffee also. So we need 7 months of coffee. I'm not sure if that's going to last though. We only have 4 decafs, which are our afternoon iced coffees on the Flybridge.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 Sumatras and 2 French. No, just 1 French roast.
1 French. I got that by mistake because I let Katie from Ceylon Catamaran have the other Sumatra. I hid it for her so she could have it, and I wouldn't take all of them. She wanted some.
And these
too.
are only 3/4 pound
Yeah.
sacks, so they're not as big as you might think.
No.
Oh, we got rewards cards. What's that all about?
I don't know. We got toilet paper and paper towels to get us going through the hurricane season here too. We packed it away in here, but we can't show you. And we don't. Well, we can, but I don't feel like taking off the cushions again. Oh, there goes the singing boat with all the cruise ship people on it. All right, we're gonna have a nice coffee now. Ha! Get rid of some of this.
That was on the table is now into that little floor locker.
There it is. That's our floor locker full of
Food.
tuna and coffee with a little bit of tea and some real vanilla to add to the coffee.
Is this the same shoe goo we were using this morning?
It's our shoe goo. Here's the chunk of meat, beef ribeye. That's what we're gonna eat this week. It's too bad for us. We have to have steak every night this week. Well, we're kind of tired of chicken. We've been having chicken every night. So now we're gonna have steak. And that's what I bought the other day. One of these and cut it into steaks. Well, we've done that twice actually. Ribeye. Hi everybody. Thank you for watching this episode of Sailing Wave Rider.
We're going to give you a little update on our generator business. Since January 30th, we've been without a generator, which means we can't make water or do our laundry. On June the 1st, Kohler is going to give us a brand new generator. Finally. And on June the 2nd, it should be installed, and we will probably leave that same day and head straight south to Bequia.
Yep.
Bequi, if some other you like that pronunciation, and that's about a 300-mile sail. Should take us about 2 days, and then we should be just about far enough south to be out of the hurricane zone.
Depending on the weather, I guess, if we'll sail directly. So I'll be doing the installation of this new generator that's going to be putting in Friday or Saturday, and our next video will be about that. And then our sail down to Bequia, and we'll probably be, I'm not sure how the internet will be down there, so we might not have any videos for the next couple weeks. I have to load the videos a little bit less of, not the best quality, because the internet's so slow and it won't let me do a good quality download or upload to YouTube. And yeah, so we're pretty excited about this generator. It's about time. It's a little less stress now.
I want you to share, like, and subscribe to our movies. Leanne's been doing an awesome job putting these all together. Thanks a lot, everybody.
Thanks for watching. Let's talk to you later.
Bye.